2025 is almost here, and it's time to learn smarter and not harder. If one of your goals for 2025 is taking your English to the next level, watch this video until the end, because it's time to shake things up. Here's something I want you to think about. Think about everything you've been doing so far in terms of learning English, and really think about what's working and what isn't. And just for now, I'm not saying forever, but get rid of something that's not working. And instead of trying to make time to learn English, see how you can do the opposite and fit it into your life. Think about the stuff that you're already doing on a daily basis and see how you could potentially inject some English into that. For example, a very simple thing that we do every day, multiple times a day. We always look something up. We have a question or a debate with our friends, or we need to find out some fact, date, whatever. How old is this actor? Whatever. We do this every day. So here's your consistency right there, and you don't have to work hard for it, it's already there. So now, whenever a question like this comes up and you want to look something up, type it in English, read it in English, get your answer, and your daily dose of doing something in English. It's not crazy. You just need to find out those crafty little ways to actually fit English into your existing life, as opposed to doing your best and working hard to make time for it, make room for it in your schedule. If it's not working, it's not working. So let's do the opposite. Now, the next tip is related to the first one, and that's obviously consistency. You want to make sure you do something every day, you do it regularly, consistently, blah, 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 blah. But it doesn't have to be crazy. It doesn't have to be insane. It doesn't have to be serious. It doesn't have to be a big deal. One day, it could be just 5 minutes. That's enough. As long as you do it and you do something, it doesn't matter. The next tip is how to get people to talk to you. And it's a little, how do I put this? Back when I was learning and trying to practice English, it was very difficult to get someone to talk to me. People were kind of very reserved and sort of very closed off in that way online. Now, people love to talk. So here's an idea. You're scrolling on Instagram, TikTok, whatever, right? Doesn't matter. You see a funny video or a video that sparks your interest or something that you would like to talk about, right? You go in the comments and then you just read through the comments a little bit. Just see what people are saying. And just reply, interact. Somebody will ask a question like, oh, I don't understand this joke. What does that mean? Respond. Or someone says something funny and you have like a response or an idea or whatever, a question, reply. Just get on there and really start interacting with people. And people will respond. People love talking, especially under viral posts and videos and stuff like that. I mean, it has never been easier. So take advantage of it and just go and interact. You have absolutely nothing to lose at all. The next tip for 2025 is you need to rethink the way you're approaching vocabulary. Let me explain. As you know, and you feel it deep in your soul, vocabulary is one of the most important things, right? Those words and expressions are kind of like our building blocks to generate and create language. So here's what I want you to think about, and this is a big deal. Learning vocabulary in English is, and I'm gonna make a separate video on that to elaborate and give you more information about that and more ideas, but focus on learning vocabulary in the way that touches it multiple times. So you have a new word that you're learning, you want to make sure you touch it multiple times in many different ways and space it out a little bit. So you learn a new word, you learn what it means, you said it a couple of times, that's step one. Now, make some examples, create some sentences, maybe write them, maybe speak them, that's two. Then, just wait a little bit and then do some of that again and do some of that again and just wait a little bit. Don't try to, spend a lot of time on this one word all at once. Don't do that. Instead, just keep attacking it over and over again a few times. And you also want to make sure you read some other examples with this word, not the ones that you created, but some other ones. Because you don't learn these words from the meaning and the definition. You learn them from the examples. You have to see it in action and see how it's used so you can figure out how to use it yourself. That's the main point. It's not just memorizing definitions, right? It's all about seeing it in action and playing around with it on your own based on this reference that you have. And that's how you do it. Vocabulary is hard because of the sheer volume, of course, and just the process itself, but you can make it easier. You just have to do it in action. And like I said, touch it multiple times in many different ways and space it out. If you're ready to take all of these tips to the next level in 2025, well, one of my most popular online courses from intermediate to advanced is here to help you. This isn't just another boring grammar course. Oh no. It's a complete system for learning English that you actually need step by step. You'll master practical vocabulary that people actually use. You'll improve your confidence in speaking through interactive exercises. And best of all, you'll join a supportive community that will help you grow and keep you motivated. So don't waste time. Check out the link down below and sign up for my course and make 2025 the year you finally achieve fluency. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment down below about some of your ideas and your tips and tricks that you may be using. Yeah, let's help each other out. Also, if you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And if you just stumbled across this video and you want to stick around, well, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to, get notified every time I post. Thank you guys so much. It's been English with Venya, a channel where we level up and never look back. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. 2025 is going to be amazing because that's the choice we're making. That's the choice we're gonna make. So let's do it together. Bye.